Hey everyone, my name is Trim. I'm the head of product at Plastiks, and I'm super excited to share a wrap-up and a close-up video of our project through the Project Catalyst fund, which had the name, or has the name, the first plastic credit refi protocol using USDM. So I have to say it has been a very rewarding journey building with Cardano. And before I forget, I just want to make a shout out and a big thanks to our technology partner AI Quant for making all of this possible. So what did we build? In short, this was a project using Web3 tools to fund real world environment plastic recovery. We built a dApp from scratch for the Cardano community. So it lets people fund plastic recoveries, and it's a window into everything that is happening on our main application. So it's us being 100% transparent on how much money is actually being transacted, how much plastic is being recovered, and how the rhythm of the roadmaps and their completion rate. So we broke it all down into 3 main milestones. So first, of course, we had to tackle all the smart contracts. We were currently on Celo, but we had to rewrite all the smart contracts, logic, roadmap creation, plastic credit tracking, wallet linking, all of these things. And we also had to create the escrow wallet holding the funds, the USDM. Next up, it was the dashboard, the UI, the lending function, the voting function, all of these things, and combine all of it. And then finally, we launched the public dashboard. I will give you guys an introduction to the app now. So it was built from scratch, and we built a full-out working, won't even call it a prototype, a full-out working product. So let me share my screen quickly and show you guys how it works. So this is the refi dApp, and here you have the roadmap section of the first landing page. You will see how many roadmaps that are active, how many roadmaps that has been completed, the total amount of kilograms recovered, funds held in escrow wallet, total funding distributed, and total tokens retired. So let me explain. So the escrow wallet has the function of holding on to the USDM, which are going to be released when the recovery entities are completing a roadmap. So on the main application, we are using a plastic token as the mean of transaction, or as the currency. And plastic token is being sent from the wallet of the buyer or from our treasury, depending if the buyer is paying with credit card, etc. And then we're sending from our treasury plastic tokens to the recovery entity. Then Plastiks as a company are sending USDM to a escrow wallet, which are holding on to the money and releasing it per smart contract automatically once a roadmap has been completed. So the transactions are as follows. I buy a plastic credit to fund a roadmap. Plastic tokens are sent to the wallet of the recovery organization. Plastiks sends USDM to the escrow wallet to meet the difference, or to balance out the difference if money has been sent. Once a roadmap is completed, Plastiks tokens are sent back again to our treasury, and USDM is automatically released and sent to the wallet of the recovery organization. Here you have the total amount that has been sent for the completions of a roadmap, and here you have something which we call tokens retired. So we are also per smart contract, for each transaction happening on the application, we are burning 2% of plastic tokens in that process, making the circulating supply less and less for each transaction on the app. So the more transactions happening on the app, the fewer of the plastic tokens will be in circulation. Here you have a quick overview of the roadmaps. Here you can see all the transactions happening on the application. and you see the transaction fee, which is the fee that we are burning. You have a community tab here, and we wanted to give the community a little bit of power. So we gave them the possibility to vote to increase the burning rate. So here the community can come together, they can start a vote, they can vote, and if the vote is being is successful, then the burning rate will go up to the preferred number for a period of 30 days. After that, it will automatically go back again to 2%. Then you have what we call the lending function. So what I said earlier about money being held by the escrow wallet and that Plastiks are funding that wallet, we're also giving the opportunity for Cardano holders or Cardano Plastik holders to fund the escrow wallet and to get a basically a staking fee for doing that. Since I've logged in with my admin wallet, you will see that I have some admin functions here. I can see transactions history. I can see if I need to fund the escrow wallet based on transactions happening. And I can also, do a lot of admin things, which is probably not so important for this video. But one thing that I would like to add in terms of what we've learned after we launched. So remember, we launched only a couple of days ago, but the first feedback, language. So we added quickly a way to select different languages. And also, of course, since we had already stated that we were going to use USDM in the main project when we got funded, we wanted to complete that because due to not doing too many changes. But of course, USDA was released while we were building, but we have made the app so that we can change that now, since the Catalyst fund is now basically completed after this. So we will, with 99% security, we will jump over to use USDA instead of USDM. That was everything that we need to talk about in relation to the DApp. What are we going to do next? So in the time that will come, we will of course gather user feedback. We will build accordingly. We are getting some major companies now joining, and we would like to also see if they would like to see anything else. Basically, always working on gathering the feedback to build something which the community or our users actually are looking for. The app or the DApp has the function of showing full transparency into what we're doing. So in the Plastiks, let's call it, in the plastic world, there's a big lack of transparency. So we wanted to be a forefront runner and show that we are transparent in how much we are recovering, transactions, etc. If we are not funding the escrow wallet and there's a balance in terms of how much money has actually been sent, people will see. So we need to do our job, and we think that everyone else also needs to do their job inside of all of this plastic, the plastic world, if we can just call it that. So hopefully this will be a very nice way to show that transparency is important and it's doable. And we want to challenge all of our partners that are recovering plastic to be even more transparent. And through this tool, we will at least make sure that everyone which are working with us can be full transparent and open with how much they're actually recovering, etc. So again, I would like to thank the Project Catalyst team. I thank Cardano for funding us, and really looking forward to be a part of this ecosystem. And until next time, I wish all of you a lovely day. Thank you.
Plastiks, redefining sustainability.